So ReTracker is a tool that gives us the opportunity to track the life cycle of a product using the blockchain technology provided by Technalia as a safe place for saving all this information, an untampered saving location. Users will be using their credentials in order to log in, and they will be able to have access to the registered assets that have already been registered in the TraceBlock network. For each asset, we have the opportunity of saving a serial number, a name, a description, images, and we are able to create new assets, of course, according to our needs. And from the start screen, we can access the details of one of the assets. Each asset saved in TraceBlock has a title, a serial number, a description, one or more images that can be altered accordingly, and it also has children assets. So this specific item is a set of rims, disc brakes, screws and stuff that are creating the front part of a motorcycle wheel. We can easily edit the asset by updating the information of the asset, uploading or removing images, defining which are the children assets of this specific asset, remove or add if we need some. And in each update, we have a timestamp explaining, showcasing the time and the user that has been updating the asset. If we go back, we will see that we are able to print a certificate or archive the asset. I think that this is the crucial information of ReTracker and the usage of the blockchain technology of TraceBlock.